Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. Today we are going to solve XAT 2017 question papers set A. In our last videos we have solved questions up till 68. So now we are going to start with question number 67. So here we have a paragraph for questions 67 to 72. So now let's go through this paragraph. So Abdul has 8 factories with different capacities producing boutique kurtas. Okay, so we have a boutique manufacturer here who has 8 factories for producing boutique kurtas. In the production process, he incurs raw material cost, selling cost. Okay, so selling cost means for packaging and transportation, and labor cost. So he incurs 3 types of cost for making his kurtas. Now these costs per kurta vary across factories. Okay, so each one of the factory has different cost in each field. In all these factories, a worker takes 2 hours to produce a kurta. Profit per kurta is calculated by deducting raw material cost, selling cost, and labor cost from the selling price. Okay, so a profit in a kurta will be found out by subtracting the all types of cost, that is the raw material cost, selling cost, and labor cost from his selling price. That is the amount of profit. So here we have any other cost can be ignored. Okay, so no other cost should be taken into account. Now let's check the data here. So we have 8 factories here from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. These are the capacities of the kurtas in those factories, and here we have the selling price, here we have the profit per kurta, here we have selling cost per kurta, and here we have labor cost per hour. So let's move on to our move on to the first question. Here is our question, which says which of the following options is in decreasing order of raw materials cost. So here we have not been given about the raw material cost, so we need to find the raw material cost and find the decreasing order of these factories. So we can find the raw material cost from this formula. Here we have been given profit equal to selling price minus raw material cost minus selling cost minus labor cost. So from here raw material cost will be equal to selling price minus profit minus selling cost minus labor cost. So let us start with the very first term here, that is factory number 1. So factory 1 has selling price 4800. We have to subtract 775, we have to subtract 60, and we have to subtract 450 twice, because we have been given that each worker works for 2 hours, and here we have labor cost per hour. So we need to twice this number and then subtract it from the selling price. So let us start with factory number 1. So in factory 1, when we subtract 4800 minus 775 minus 60 minus 450 and then minus 450, we will get our value to be 3065. So you can do this for all the 8 factories by pausing this video, and then you can match the result with my result. So let me write my results here. For factory 2 we will get 3655. For factory 3 we have 3740. For factory 4 we have 3732. For 5 we have 3525. For 6 it is 4260. For 7 we have 3615. And for 8, that is the last factory, we have 3790. So these are the cost of raw materials. Now let's check. Now let's arrange these raw materials cost in decreasing order. So the maximum cost, as you can see here, is 4260, that is of factory 6. Now the second is 3790, that is factory 8. Now the third one is this one is 3740, which is factory 3. Then we have 3732, that is factory 4. Then we have 3655, that is factory 2. Then we have 3615, that is 7, and 3525, that is factory 5, and lastly we have factory 1. So this is the decreasing order of the raw material cost. Now let's check the options. Our first option is 3, then 4, then 7, and then 5. So here we have 3, then 4, then 7, then 5. Yeah, so this is in decreasing format only, so our option number A is correct option. Let's cross check the other options also. We have 4 3 2 5. So 4, no, it's going up, that is it's not decreasing but it's increasing, hence option B is wrong. Now 6 3 5 7. So here we have 6, then 3, then 5. Okay, so 5 is down, and then 7, but again it's coming from 5 to 7, which is increasing, hence option C is also wrong. Option D and option E you can similarly cross check, you will get only increasing in them, but option number A is the only option which has been arranged in decreasing order of raw materials cost. So I will like to end this video here. You will find the questions from 70 to 72 of this topic in my another videos.